Hey guys, how are you all doing today? So I'm going to show you guys how I was able to get this here. So let's get into it. Again, cut this one so that it will not disturb you when you're making this side. Mhm. Hope you guys can see it very well. Now you're going to bring out small. This hair looks better when you bring it out small small. But then you're going to use your gel to hold it down so that it will be neat. Mhm. And then you can twist it and you can do Bob Marley, but I prefer doing it, tying it first, and then I'll do my Bob Marley. So guys, for this, don't mind my this way. For this hair, I used kinky. Kinky. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. I already used one of these, and this is the second one to do this side. So I'm going to use this one to do this side. So this is how I do it. I'll bring one like this from the pack, and then I would use my scissors and cut it into two, and then I'll bring this one. This is the two that I cut, and then I will separate this one into two, and I'll use this one for one hair. I don't know if you get it. So let's get into the next one. So I'm also going to show you. I'll do this one and I'll show you how I was able to make it to be this coily. So let's get into it. Maybe go and hold it if you want. So I'm going to show you what I used to make this thing like this. So when you're making it, when you come to the end of it, you're going to be drawing it like this. If you make it small, do it like this and make it to be tight. Don't just do it like normal twist, or maybe like normal twist, but make it to be close to each other like this. So you bring it like this and you hold it, tie it small and tie it so that it will be neat. After tying it, then I'll do my small three piece or three hand, should I call it. Then after that, I'll split my hair into two and then add it to each one and then twist. Twist it close to each other so that it will be a little bit coily. If you notice, this one is really coily, and I'm going to show you what I used. I didn't use just this to make it this coily, but this one can also be a little bit coily. This is how the curls looks, and this is how this one looks. I brought this crochet and I opened it, so I'm using it to mix with the hair so that it will be coily, really coily. I don't know the name of this crochet, but this is how it looks after you open it. And then I will use it. I'll cut them out small and I will use it. So let me show you. It's more coily than the other one. So you bring it like this, and then you tie it. So this is the crochet and this is the kinky. Oops, sorry. So you can see the difference. See? Yeah. So I'm mixing the both of them so that it will be really, really coily, as you can see. Hold it. Then split the hair into two and then twist. So whether you're using your kinky or you're using the crochet, you're going to make sure to twist it close to each other, just as I'm doing now. You don't have to tight it. You can just twist your hair. You don't have to do it like this. You can just do it like this. Yeah, just make sure it's tight here. And when you're almost done, twist small and do it like this, so that the mouth would be like this one. That's if you want it to be like that too. So twist. You can do it at least 4 times before you finish the hair. You see the results? Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. And this one is kinky. This one is kinky. And this one, I didn't do it like that. So let's do it again so that you'll be clear. This is the last one. You're going to hold it down with your gel. Hold it very well. Depends on how tight you want it to be. But I don't want mine to be really tight so that I'll be able to move it around when I'm styling it. So I'm just going to open this and hold it. Then small Bob Marley so that it will really hold. It will be really strong. You can twist it from the beginning. That is if you want it to be all twisted. And you can also do the Bob Marley from the beginning. So anyone you want. But this is my choice. This is what I want mine to look like. I'm looking at my mirror to make sure it's okay. Now I've come to the end. Twist, twist, twist. And this is the results. Really neat, really clean, and really coily. Thank you so much for watching my video. God bless you, and I hope you try the style that I told you or I explained here. You don't have to make it too tight so that you'll be able to move it around. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.